All right, students, here we go. We're going to show you how to work these two-step problems. We started them last week, but we're going to go ahead and work on them again today. This is going to start off basically the same way we did the last couple. You want to start by isolating the variable. So we're going to begin by taking the circle over here on the left-hand side and dragging and dropping it over our 2x. So this is the term that we're going to want to isolate and keep on its own. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of whatever is beside the term 2x. And in this case, it's a plus 4. So we want to do the inverse operation of a plus 4. And the opposite of adding by 4 is subtracting by 4. That's going to cancel it out and get rid of it. So I'm going to drag over minus 4 here. And that cancels out the plus 4. So they're gone, they're done, we don't have to worry about them. Now remember, in order to balance the equation, if we subtract 4 on the left side, we have to subtract 4 on the right side. So I'm also going to drag over a minus 4 to the right side of my equation. And so now I'm going to solve 20 minus 4. The reason I can solve this is because there will be something left over. 4 minus 4 is 0, so that's done. But 20 minus 4 still leaves me with 16. So I'm going to bring over my 16, well, a 1 and a 6. I'm going to make the number 16 here beside it. So that's my new value on the right-hand side of my equation. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring down my 2x. Because I kept the term 2x together, I just want to rewrite it and bring it straight down because I haven't done anything with it yet. It's still there. So now I'm going to rewrite my equation, and I'm going to say 2x. I've still got my equal sign here, so this is going to be my next equation. 2x equals 16. And what I can do is I can think of this as a brand new equation now. So this right here is now a brand new equation that I can solve for a second time. This is where the second step comes in. So now I've got a second thing to do. Because my 2 and my x here are side by side, I'm now going to drag my new circle over on top of the x. And what I want to do is I want to isolate this x, but I can't because the 2 is attached to it. When two things are side by side, they multiply each other. So my 2 is multiplying the x. In order to get rid of the multiplying by 2, I do the opposite, which is to subtract by 2 or divide by 2. So I'm going to show division by creating a fraction bar here and divide by 2. So the opposite of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2. And that's going to split my 2 and my x apart. Now again, remember, if you divide by 2 on the left side, you have to do it on the right. So I'm going to come over here and also divide by 2 on the right-hand side as well. 16 divided by 2 leaves me with 8. My x is all alone now, and so I can rewrite my final form of the equation as x equals 8, and that is the answer.